Welcome. In today's quick guide, you'll learn step by step how to change your name on the X app. Whether you just want a fresh look or need to update your display name, the process is simple and only takes a few seconds. Let's get started. First, open the X app on your phone. Make sure you're signed into the account where you want to change your name. Once the app opens, look at the top left corner of your screen. You'll see your profile picture. Go ahead and tap on it. This will open the side menu where you'll find the option to view your profile. Next, tap on your profile to open your personal page. Here you'll see all your posts, followers, and profile details. To make changes, look for the Edit Profile button. It's usually right near the top of your profile page, and tapping it will take you to the editing section. Now you'll see several fields you can customize, but for this guide, we're going to focus on your name. Tap on the name field, remove your current display name, and type in your new one. You can choose your real name, a nickname, or any name that best represents you on X. Keep in mind that your username, the one that starts with the @ symbol, is different. This step changes only your display name. After you've entered your new name, take a moment to make sure everything looks right. When you're happy with it, tap Save in the top corner of the screen. That's it, you've successfully changed your name on X. Your new name will now appear on your profile and next to your posts. It's that easy. Updating your name on X can help refresh your profile and make sure it reflects who you are right now. If this quick guide helped you, remember to like the video, leave a comment, and subscribe for more simple tutorials just like this one.